Namaste. Hi, I am Manjunath. Today I am going to teach you Surya Namaskar. The major health benefits of Surya Namaskar are: number one, it will keep you disease-free life. Number two, it's good for your weight loss. Number three, it keeps your skin healthy and refreshed. Number four, it will promote good sleep. Number five, it's good for your cardio and the blood circulation. And some other health benefits. Now let's start Surya Namaskar. Stand top of your mat, foot together, hands by the side, look forward, inhale and exhale through both the nostril, breathe normal, relax yourself. The first step, Pranamasana. Inhale and exhale through both the nostril, join your palms together. Inhale, raise your hands up, bend back, Astavuttanasana. Hold as much as you can. Exhale, bend forward, palms beside your foot, tuck your nose in between your knees. If you can't place your palm flat, slightly bend your knees and try to bring your palms down, tuck your nose in between your knees. Slowly take your right foot back, back knee down, toe out. Look up, gaze up, push your hip down as much as you can. Take your left leg back, hold body straight, look forward, exhale, knee down, chest down, chin down, Astanga Pranam. Toes out, push your hip down, chest up, inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, on your toes, push back, look at your toe, heels flat, try to push your upper body as much as you can down. Inhale, bring your right foot in, knee down, toe out, Asvasanchalanasana. Look up. Exhale, bring your left foot in, tuck your nose in between your knees. Inhale, raise your hands up, bend back, Astavuttanasana. Exhale, Pranam. Relax, hands by the side, another half cycle. Hold Pranam in front of your heart chakra. Breathe normal. Inhale, raise your hands up, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Slowly take your left foot back, back knee down, toe out. Now back on toes. Take your right leg back, knee down, chest down, Hastanga Pranam. Inhale, raise your chest up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, heel flat. Inhale, bring your left foot in, knee down, toe out. Exhale, bring your right foot in, tuck your nose in between your knees. Inhale, raise your hands up, bend back, Pranamasana. It completes one cycle. Today we have done one cycle of Surya Namaskar. You should do minimum 12 cycle of Surya Namaskar to get all benefits. Maximum you can do 108 Surya Namaskars. When to do Surya Namaskar is early in the morning when the sun rises, or evening when sun sets. But you should maintain empty stomach. You should not have anything 2 hours before doing Surya Namaskar. Thank you very much joining us.